Picture living out an entire calendar year without ever finishing your lunch break. On Venus, that's not a joke, it's physics. Venus spins so slowly that one full rotation takes about 243 Earth days. Its trip around the Sun only takes about 225 Earth days. Read that again. A single Venusian day outlasts a full Venusian year. You would celebrate a birthday before the Sun even finished setting once. Venus also spins backward compared to most planets in our solar system. Scientists call this retrograde rotation, and it makes Venus the oddball of the family. Nearly every other planet in our solar system spins the same direction it orbits, a leftover habit from the swirling disk of gas and dust that built the whole system billions of years ago. Venus goes the opposite way, like a record spinning against the groove while every other track plays normally. If you somehow stood on its surface and could see the Sun, it would rise in the west and set in the east. That's the exact opposite of what you'd see standing on Earth, or on Mars, or almost anywhere else nearby. It's a small detail, but it completely rewires how you'd think about time on another world. Nobody knows for certain why Venus spins this way. One leading theory blames an ancient, colossal collision that flipped the planet over billions of years ago. A hit so massive it essentially knocked Venus onto its head and left it spinning the wrong way ever since. The same kind of violent impact scientists think shaped other oddities across the early solar system. Another theory points to the thick atmosphere itself, which may have slowly dragged the rotation down through friction over eons, like a brake pad rubbing against a spinning wheel for millions of years until it barely turns at all. Either explanation means Venus's clock got broken a very long time ago, and it never got fixed. But here's the part that makes this planet even stranger than a backward day. Venus's atmosphere is so dense that pressure at the surface crushes like being nearly a kilometer underwater on Earth. Step outside without protection, and the air itself would flatten you instantly, long before the heat even had a chance to. Surface temperatures stay hot enough to melt lead, hotter even than Mercury, despite Venus sitting farther from the Sun. Think about that for a second. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, practically kissing it, and Venus still runs hotter. That heat comes from a runaway greenhouse effect trapping energy under thick clouds of sulfuric acid. The same basic mechanism that keeps Earth's atmosphere warm enough for life spiraled completely out of control on Venus, sealing in heat with nowhere for it to escape. I find that part almost more unsettling than the backward sunrise. It's a reminder that a planet can look almost exactly like ours from a distance and still turn into a pressure cooker hellscape underneath those clouds. Spacecraft sent to land there have survived only a couple of hours before the heat and pressure destroyed them. Some of humanity's most advanced engineering, built to survive the vacuum of space itself, reduced to scrap metal in under a couple of hours on the surface of our closest planetary twin. Venus looks like Earth's twin in size. Same rough diameter, same rocky composition, practically siblings in the solar system family photo. In nearly every other way, it is one of the strangest, most hostile worlds nearby. A day longer than a year. A sun that rises in the wrong direction. Heat that melts metal and pressure that crushes steel. So next time you complain that today is dragging on forever, remember there's a planet next door where a single day really does outlast an entire year, and where lunch, in a sense, never actually ends. More of these on this channel. Follow along.